All right, here we are in Adobe Photoshop. I'm going to show you how to put a stroke or an outline on text. So I'm going to grab my type tool here and I'm going to just type this out so we can see it and make it bigger for you. So that's how you type something in Photoshop. And now I have the layer over here I want to grab, right, the text layer. And you just want to hit Effects and go down to Stroke. That's what it's actually called, not an not outline, in at least in Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign, all that. So we have our text here. So I mean, our outline here. So you can play with the size here. Outside is going to, you see, it's on the only the outside of the font, and then inside is going to put it inside, and center is going to be right on the middle. Some of it's on in the inside on the white, some of it's out there. Center is pretty normal, but um, whatever you need to do. And then you got the opacity, which is really cool because you could lower, you can make just the stroke, see-through. And then you pick your color. Um, yeah, so whatever color you're looking for, and you've got gradients, patterns, so you can do a bunch of stuff here. But that's how that is exactly how you do that. And let me show you a real quick trick here. If you've got a bunch of text you want to do this to, um, you know, kind of mass produce this. I'm going to click on the original one that has the effect already, and then I'll pull this down, and I'm going to copy the layer style. Now I'm going to go to my other one, which is this guy, and I'm going to paste the layer style. And look, so you can kind of do that for mass production if you need to, or just you're going to apply stroke to a bunch of different layers, so you can you don't have to sit there and rebuild it every time. So that's it. Hopefully that helped. If it did, leave me a comment and hit like. Thanks.